What about make between $100 and $1,000 from a passive income every month? Let me show you the best 7 passive income ideas that can get you to that point. Dividend stocks are one of the simplest ways for investors to create passive incomes. As public companies generate profits, a portion of those earnings is set aside and given back to investors in dividends. Investors can decide to pocket the cash or reinvest the money in additional shares. This is a tried and true way to earn passive income. You will have to do plenty of research to find good stocks and invest a significant amount of money to receive large dividend checks. However, if you constantly invest money into dividend stocks, you can amass a nice residual income over time. The next idea would be to open a high-yield saving account. It doesn't get any more passive than putting your money in a saving account at the bank or one of the many online banks offering high yields. Then sit back and watch the interest mount up. Your best bet here is going with an online bank since they typically offer the highest rates. You can usually quickly transfer your money between your primary bank and the online bank. Online rates can often be 10 times higher or more than what your local bank may offer. If you invest in an account insured by the FDIC, you have almost no risk at all, up to $250,000 threshold per account type per bank. Now let's talk about a peer-to-peer lending. A peer-to-peer or P2P loan is a personal loan made between you and your borrower, facilitated through a third-party intermediary, such as a Prosper or Lending Club. As a lender, you earn income via interest payments made on the loans. But because the loan is unsecured, you face the risk of default. To cut that risk, you need to do two things. Diversify your lending portfolio by investing smaller amounts over multiple loans. At Prosper.com, the minimum investment per loan is $25 and analyzes historical data on the prospective borrowers to make informed picks. Returns typically range from 7% to 12%, and there's very little the investor must do after initially funding the loan. It's time to talk about affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers can promote a third-party product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the most well-known affiliate partner, but eBay and Ewing are among the larger ones. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner or influencer earns a commission. With some time and effort, you can make a significant amount of passive incomes. Another great idea is to sell information products. A popular strategy for passive income is establishing an informational product, such as an ebook, podcast, or video course. After that, kicking back while cash rolls inform the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Information products can deliver an excellent income stream because you make money easily after the initial outlay of time. Do you ever wonder where your favorite websites, blogs, and sometimes even magazines get their photos? These are typically bought from stock photo websites. If you enjoy photography, you can submit your photo to stock photo sites and receive a commission every time someone purchases one of them. Photography websites such as Shutterstock provide you with the platform to sell your photos. They may offer either a percentage or a flat fee of each photo that is sold to a site client. Another big marketplace to sell photos is Deposit Photos. You can upload your photos and earn money whenever someone uses them. In this way, a single photo could represent a residual income opportunity, since it can be sold again and again. You simply collect a check or PayPal payment each month for the royalty you receive on your photos. Despite fluctuations over the recent years, real estate remains a preferred choice for investors looking to generate long-term returns. Specifically, rental properties can furnish apartment owners with a regular income source. The investor can easily acquire a property for a 20% down payment and start reliable tenants who keep the money flowing. Those who don't want to manage rental properties can look to real estate investment trusts instead. REITs pay out 90% of their taxable income as dividend to investors. On the downside, dividends are taxed as ordinary income, which may be problematic for investors in high tax brackets. If you want to learn more about REITs, check out this video that appears above. This is an excellent way to have a consistent income from the rent you collect. With this example of passive income, we finished this video. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like. See you in the next video.